Well, here we are on a horrible, wet, very windy day, sitting in the car at or at a park in the beautiful Gold Coast. It's not a very nice day today. It's been raining. We've had about 40 mils of rain in the last 24 hours, which is fantastic. We need the rain badly. There's not much I can tell you today. Tess is with me as usual. She's here. Sunday is normally her day that she goes to the park, has a bit of a run around, but the ground's so wet and she's so much of a chicken, she decided she'd stay in the car and not run around at all. It's just one of those days. So what do you do on a wet day? That's a good question. My wife is at church taking care of her spiritual needs, and while she does that, this is where Tess and I normally come on Sundays. It's, as I say, it's not a nice day. I can give you a bit of an idea. It's the winds are blowing at around about 40 knots today. There's no boats out, obviously. Everybody's snuggled up and kept themselves nice and quiet. Still, that's what happens on a wet day. I'm sitting here, I'm going to read the paper, the newspaper, catch up on yesterday's news, and later on we'll drive around to another area and wait for my wife to come out of church. After church we then meet some friends at a local coffee shop for a cup of coffee, maybe some light lunch before we go home. Once we get home, it's a case of I'll probably get on the computer and play around and try to learn a little bit more about vlogging. So anyway, that's about all I've got for today. Until later, it's hooroo, please take care, and I'll talk to you again soon. Goodbye.